Hey loves, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. So happy to have you here. Today we're going to do a video with Cupshe. They have sent me this little kind of surprise box. I did take the swimsuits out, but there's a couple other accessories in here. They are doing a collaboration with Tabria Majors. Some really fun, bright swimsuits. A little bit out of my comfort zone, I'm not gonna lie, but very excited to try something new, and hopefully you guys will enjoy them too. Thank you so much, Cupshe, for partnering with me on this video. I do greatly appreciate it. Let's go ahead and jump in. If you have any questions about my measurements or anything like that, it's all down below in the description box, as well as links to all of these suits and Cupshe if you want to take them out. Cupshe has honestly become quickly one of my absolute favorite places to get swimwear. So if you are like me, you might like it too. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so here's the box. How cute is this? I'm already wearing one of the suits. This is, oh girl, feeling sassy. I am wearing, as always, some high-waisted underoos, so if you see any black showing through, I just prefer for coverage. I'm on the internet, but just so you guys, you know, you get an idea. I do have a long torso and a kind of hangy lower belly, so one pieces are kind of difficult for me. There are 2 one pieces in the collection that they sent me. I assume there might be more in the collection than the 3 that I was sent. I think I just was sent like a little taste of what they've got, but this is too cute. Look at this. I need to find a way to repurpose this little box because I really like it. So, oh yeah, there's definitely more suits. Look how cute some of those are. That one, totally me. Honestly, I love that one too. Love these. They just kind of send a little selection. So it's kind of fun sometimes to push yourself out of your comfort zone. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this. But here's a quick little peek. I'm sure you can check out many more of these suits on the Cupshe website. I will be sure to link them down below. I'll show you the accessories real quick. I did send a little scrunchie. Why couldn't I think of the word scrunchie, you guys? My brain today. Not working the best. So very cute little scrunchie, little checkerboard moment. There is a little note in here too from, I think it's Tabria. Hey there, thank you so much for supporting this collab. It truly means the world to me. The Love Los Angeles collection means so much to me, and I'm so excited to be the first collaboration for Cupshe's plus size line. I can't wait to see you rocking the new styles we came up with. So super excited. Congrats to her. How amazing. I really like this little case. Oh, I love these. These are cute. Let's try them on. Cute. Oh, heck yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe for sure. You can totally see my ring light. But these are super cute. And they fit my head pretty well. I've got a pretty big head, so always a plus. Okay, so this is the first suit. Whoa, Luna Marie is right behind me. Okay, so here's this first swimsuit. I'm gathering by just looking at them that they are very high cut in the lower region, but also keep in mind I do have a long torso, so it's definitely pulling a lot of one-piece swimwear. It does not fit my torso correctly, especially because I've got like this belly, so it pulls it down even more, plus the long torso. Very common issue for me. Honestly, Cupshe's one pieces are some of the best fitting ones for my body. I can definitely feel it pulling down in the back a little bit. So I do feel like my back be hanging, and my booty be out a little bit, but I don't mind the booty as much. But this top part is so cute. I love this detail and the little strappies, of course. I'm really excited for this black one. Of course I am. But this in like a black would be so my vibe. I do love this bright pink and orange. It's very fun. So very cute. Just a little for my personal swimsuit taste. Just got a little bit hanging. But it's very cute, very cute. But yeah, I always love when someone is willing to put out a little bit more risque swimwear or clothing in any way for plus size women, because if that's something you want to wear, you should 100,000% be able to wear it. Yeah, love the top. I just, you know, got a little, I got a lot of lower belly, so I got a lot tuck it in. Let's see if we can tuck it in. Oh, we can kind of tuck it in. You know. Is she cute? Let's go ahead and let's try on why don't we just go for this one? This one I'm a little nervous about because this looks super low. All right, loves, here is that next swimsuit. As I suspected, it's very, very high cut. I left my undies on, of course. I did end up turning it around because I could tell that it was going to be even more high cut in the front, and I just wanted to, you know, for my own personal comfort, and I probably would turn them around anyway. So this is what they look like. This is very cute. Again, I love the colors. These are just a little bit more revealing than I normally go for. So if I seem like unsure or anything, it's just me having a day in my body. And like I said, Luna just cut open my foot, so I'm very off today. But the suit itself is absolutely beautiful. It feels really high quality. I like that, honestly, these are, for the bottoms, they're higher when I turn them around than I expected them to be. So even though my belly is out, I don't feel like, oh no, my belly's out. It's more down here that is just not my vibe. But I love this top. It fits really well. I feel like I, you know, actually have a bust in it, which is always a win. I love the little tie. I think it's so cute. I love that she chose neons for this because I just feel like anytime I see neon in plus size clothing, I get really excited because I feel like we don't get it quite as often because we're always just like taught to hide ourselves. So anytime someone puts out a collection or a piece that is really bright and fun for plus size bodies, I get really excited because we deserve to wear whatever the heck we want. Whatever the heck we want. So here is this one more time. Sorry for the undies, but you know, I'm on the internet, so I gotta do what I gotta do for my personal comfort. And then the last one we only have 3 here, but of course, like I said, they put out a whole bunch more. I think I'm gonna absolutely love this one. I really hope that it fits my torso. Again, I've had multiple ones from Cupshe that are one pieces that are really close or like totally doable for my torso. So let's see how this one goes. All right, babes, here is the last one. I know you're gonna be so surprised that the black one with the mesh is the one that I love the most. It's so cute. I wish I had someone here to like pull up the back for me. I got this, like, my shoulder blades are a little bit extra chunky. Like I hold some weight there, so it's like always hard if I'm alone. If I have someone with me, usually I can like pull it up. Otherwise I get this little boop boop, which I mean, you put out your boop boop. Y'all can see my boop boop boop. So much of me doesn't care, but I feel like I would feel a little bit more comfortable if I got it like pulled up a little bit. It's always so hard. I just, woo. You guys know I've got arthritis and it's just hard for me to bend in certain ways. But anyway, that's not the point of it. I love this little mesh panel. I love the way the swimsuit fits. Of course, with my long torso, it could just be a little bit longer. It would be great, but definitely wearable for me, which I love. There are little pads in all of these, but I'm one of those people that loves little pads. I don't think they're removable. Of course, you could just like slit it open and take it out if you didn't want those, but I think they're nice to have. I like them. This one's kind of slimy. Whew. But yeah, I love this swimsuit, everything about it. Again, Cupshe swimsuits are really high quality. I'll show you quick at the back. But yeah, love this one. Love it, love it, love it. All right, love, so that is everything for this Cupshe video. Again, congratulations to Tamara Majors for partnering with Cupshe, and thank you so much to Cupshe for partnering with me on this video. I do greatly appreciate it. Girl, you killed it. So proud of your collection. Yeah, super excited. I think that is everything. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it if you could. It does help me out so much. And please subscribe if you haven't already. If you made it to the end, leave a little swimsuit emoji if you made it to the end. All right, guys, I love you so much. I will talk to you soon. Bye. Suits on the Cupshe. Cupshe? I don't know. That's what I'm guessing. Thank you so much for supporting this collab. I just spit. You guys will probably get into the swimwear, Shannon, but I need to check out everything. Let's see. Silly. Okay, so here's the first. You're in right where I gotta stand, sweet girl. Right where I gotta stand. And I really like the bright colors. I love that someone is putting out, you know, super... Binks just tried to jump. These bangs. Binks just tried to jump from that box to... And he just fell through the windowsill. He just fell. You okay there, Binksy boy? Oh, you guys, in between takes, or right at the end of that take, Binks scared Luna and she just cut open my foot really bad. Excuse me. What should we have them read, Luna? A blood drop because my foot's bleeding? Just kidding.